Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to manage dynamic content like blog posts, projects or even team members, Webflow CMS is exactly what you need. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you how to actually create a CMS collection in Webflow in 2026. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go and look for Webflow in your favorite browser. So after this, we're gonna tap on the website, go all the way, use your email address and password so you can actually access your own website. So now when we open the Webflow project, this is the set designer or the site designer and all of this. We're gonna go all the way to this CMS page or a CMS panel by tapping on the CMS icon on the left side bar. It's time now to create a new collection. So click on create new collection and name it like blog post or projects. So for example, we're gonna go new blog post here, give it a name, then basically give it all of these details. Add default fields, Webflow automatically adds the name field and the slug, then save the collection. Click on create collection to finalize it. Basically, you can use also this create draft or queue for next site published. You can also cancel if you want to. You can drag the image for the main image, thumbnail image as well. Post summary, the colors featured, it depends on you. Then, as I told you, add the collection items. As for some tips, use clear collection names for easy organization. Plan your content structure before even adding the fields. And that's it. So, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.